Welcome to Kidzone TV. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.
Pen, kalam, pencil, pencil, notebook, notebook, eraser, rubber, sharpener, sharpener, geometry box, geometry box, protractor, protractor, triangle ruler, triangle ruler, ruler, scale, marker, marker, highlighter, highlighter, glue, gond, tape, tape, stapler, stapler, staples, staple, paper clips, paper clips, binder clip, binder clip, folder, folder, file, file, envelope, lifafa, carbon paper, carbon paper, tracing paper, tracing paper, index cards, index cards, clipboard, clipboard, paperweight, paperweight, punching machine, punching machine, sticky notes, sticky notes, whiteboard, whiteboard, whiteboard marker, whiteboard marker, graph paper, graph paper, A4 paper, A4 paper, receipt book, receipt book, punch, punch, paper cutter, paper cutter, desk organizer, desk organizer, pen holder, pen holder, rubber band, rubber band, bookmark, bookmark, glue stick, glue stick, correction tape, correction tape, correction fluid, correction fluid, push pin, pin, drawing pencils, drawing pencils, calligraphy pen, calligraphy pen, chalkboard, chalkboard, chalk, chalk, stamp, mohar, ink pad, ink pad, stickers, sticker, receipt holder, receipt holder, expanding file, expanding file, notepad, notepad, binding machine, binding machine, binder ring, binder ring, index tabs, index tabs, art supplies, kala samagri, craft paper, craft paper, scissors, कैंची, glue gun, gond pistol, desk pad, desk pad, paper shredder, paper shredder, archive box, archive box, magazine holder, magazine holder, letter tray, letter tray, file cabinet, file cabinet, board eraser, board eraser, magnet clips, magnet clips, clipboard with storage, clipboard with storage, label maker, label maker, photo album, photo album, Desk calendar. Desk calendar. Document wallet. Document wallet. Legal pads. Legal pads. Calculator. Calculator. Call bell. Call bell. Globe. Globe.